Well, there's one of my projects today. It won't start. Well, it starts, but I can tell the battery is it's not charged. I had it charged the other day, so battery's probably old. I think 5 or 6 years old. So time for a new one. But I want to check it out and make sure the alternator and everything is okay in the belts. But my Harbor Freight little multimeter died. I don't know how to hook that up to something. I probably shouldn't have. I picked this Craftsman multimeter up today. They're running on sale right now for $9.99, and it looks like it's a pretty good deal. First I want to do is open up and see what's like. You can see this. I'm opening up with the can opener, which I heard works really well. I never tried it. I'm gonna try it. Oops. Sorry about that. I don't know. See if that'll work. Oh, it does work. Still a little tough to open, but easier than it would be with scissors. Probably works the best. Let me get this thing out of here. First things first, I noticed that it gives some really quality probes. Let me get that focused here. There we go. It actually even has covers for them, which are quite handy at times if you have it in a toolbox and get stuck there. These are really quality probes here. And let's take a look at the meter. Now, the meter, it does have all, it's digital, and it has all the multimeter functions, voltage AC, amps AC, voltage DC, ohms, battery tester for 1.5 and 9 volt batteries. It's color coded. Looks pretty good, and it's supposed to come with a little stand here. So I'm going to stand it, and it's supposed to come with instructions, which are placed in here. These are the instructions. I'll scan through them quickly. What I want to know is, yeah, it's got a year warranty, so that's good too. It's a Craftsman year warranty, so I guess they will replace it. So if I fry this one like I did my other one, but what I want to really see is, does it need it should need a battery, but it says nowhere on this package that it needs a battery. Nowhere. Yeah. So look through the instruction manual. Oh, replacing batteries, number 17, page 17. It says disconnect test leads, remove rubber holster. It doesn't have that. Open battery door by loosening the screw using a Phillips head screwdriver. But nowhere does it tell you what size battery it requires. And one good thing too, it's has a low battery indicator, and also it is fused. It says it takes a 9 volt battery, so I will get to that. There is supposedly some sort of supposed to be held, battery compartment is supposed to be held in place by, This is a rubber plastic case. This is a rubber holster, but I think it's more like plastic. So that's nice, makes it shock resistant. So I have to remove this to have access to get the 9-volt battery. And I'm assuming it comes with fuses. But it says multimeter fuse kit, parts, accessories sold separately. I assume there must be fuses in here. Anyway, let me turn it on and see if there's batteries in here. It's that little plastic cover you put on here.
And 1 count of possession of a handgun. According to court documents from May and June of 2014, Jackson prosecuted a minor throughout the Midwest. Meanwhile, 2 teams were seized this morning.
The dial is really quality. You can hear it snap. It actually seems like a really quality meter. And apparently it does need a battery. Somehow this case, remove protective rubber holster if installed. So I'm going to have to try to pull this off and put the battery in. But I'm going to be using this tomorrow. I got to test the battery on my car. And that's why I needed to get one of these. So I mean, so far quality-wise, I think it looks quality to me. I don't know how about the components inside, but also with the year warranty for $10, seems well worth the price I pay for it. All right, welcome. Okay, this cat, if you need to, there you go. It's easy to take off this rubber cover. It says rubber, maybe it is rubber. You just have to pry one of these corners, edges here, and it'll snap right off. But it does require a 9-volt battery, which doesn't come with it. Some do, some don't. And it comes with 2 fuses. The only what I found was kind of goofy is that the little screw that fastens the doors to the fuses, you need a number 1 Phillips for that, and then for the 9-volt you need one of those little tiny Phillips screwdrivers. So that's that. So I have to get a 9-volt battery for this, and I'll put this thing in action tomorrow.